This is a thief using a relay attack to steal the signal of a key fob somewhere inside that house. He's relaying the signal to a partner who then uses it to steal the car. We're going to look at 4 simple ways you can secure your Tesla from just such an attack today on Green Neighbor.
Strategy number 1. Faraday Box.
Keep your Tesla key fob or access card in some sort of metal container. Such a metal container is generally referred to as a Faraday box. Now you can buy fancy Faraday boxes and pouches to hold things like key fobs, access cards, and any other RFID devices that can be copied at short distances, but a basic tin will generally do the job. I've used this old chocolate tin for quite a while, and as you can see, it works just fine. Here's a simple way to test out a Faraday box. I can place my key fob right beside my car while it's in this tin, and the car won't detect it. But as soon as I open the tin, the car unlocks.
Strategy number 2. Pin to drive.
Take the time to activate your Tesla's pin to drive function. This takes mere seconds to set up, and it only requires a few seconds to key in your PIN each time you put your car into drive. In truth, after a while you get so used to entering your PIN that you won't even be aware you're doing it, but it sure does a great job of foiling thieves.
Strategy number 3. Sentry mode.
If your car is out and about, it's a good idea to activate Sentry mode. Although the flash drive that records activity around your car is stored inside the car itself, Sentry mode will still sound an alarm if somebody attempts to break into your car. And it will notify you of the break-in and even relay video of the break-in to you over your Tesla app. Now, it's important to understand that Sentry mode does draw a certain amount of power from the car's battery while it's active, and for that reason, it's not really a good idea to keep Sentry mode active overnight, every night. Which brings us to security strategy number 4.
Use your garage.
Now, I hesitated to include this strategy because I appreciate the fact that not everybody has a garage. However, even those folks who do have a garage tend not to keep their cars parked inside them. The main reason for this is because garages tend to get filled up with all kinds of gear and junk and basically become the storage locker for a house. It is well worth anyone's while to KonMari their garage and keep their cars parked inside them, even during the day, but especially overnight. So there you go. There are 4 simple techniques you can use to keep your Tesla secure. Hey, if you'd like to learn how to make an actual working pair of X-ray glasses, then don't click on this video, because it's got nothing to do with that. Just being honest. Don't hate me for being honest.